In the past few weeks, I found myself surprisingly enjoying dinner gatherings. The lively atmosphere, the casual conversation, and the overall sense of together have become quite appealing. I used to dread going to dinner parties or drinking sessions in a crowded room. I never knew what to say and always felt like I was being watched. The noise and the laughter made it hard to hear, and I often had to raise my voice just to be heard. Conversations were frequently interrupted, and I found these gatherings exhausting. But now, I've unexpectedly started to enjoy them. I used to be skeptical about the obvious filters on social media platforms like Little Red Book and WeChat Moments. Why do many people immerse themselves in it? A friend said to me, I simply enjoy looking at beautiful pictures and reading warm words. Why should I judge them rationally as glossed over information? The process of seeking a pleasant feeling through nice virtues and canned words is exactly what I want. I don't care about the truth behind the content. I even know it might not be true. I just enjoy the feeling of being surrounded by beauty. Perhaps the act of existing and experience holds its own meaning. The significance of many things doesn't lie in the result but in the process. Short chats, discussions without conclusions, and unproductive activities can all be meaningful. I used to despise long meetings, thinking they must lead to tangible outcomes. Now, I see that the discussion itself can be valuable, whether it is for exchanging information or fostering emotional connections. This change in perspective came after reading Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. The book breaks down the dualistic opposition between useful and useless and the rational and emotional. The author Robert M. Pirsig finds meaning in the process of repairing motorcycles. It is not just about fixing the motorcycle, the focus while taking apart the parts. The curiosity in observing how the machinery works, and even the setbacks are all part of the experience. I used to narrow meaning down to practical use and objective truth, but now I see that emotional connections and the joy from looking at nice pictures are meaningful in their own right. Speaking of motorcycles, it reminds me of the movie A Summer in Province. The protagonist, Paul, was once part of the motorcycle gang, but later chose to settle in village in province, living a simple rural life. The movie contrasts the city and the countryside, children and the elderly, quarrels and understanding, conflicts and tolerance. The rural life depicted in the film is incredibly appealing, and Jean Reno's innocent and straightforward portrayal makes it even more captivating. Watching this movie feels like sitting under a tree on a summer afternoon, enjoying the warm breeze and the scent of the nature. So comfortable that you won't want to move. In the end, those aimless and resultless moments in life, where we simply exist and feel, are often the most genuine and meaningful parts of our existence.